Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making a detachable flare sleeve that can be used for multi purposes on your arms, on your elbow, on your wrists. Let's get to it.
So what you are going to be needing is just basically your material and elastic. Now the measurement you need is just your wrist measurement, round your wrist. For this dress, round my wrist is 6. So this is the 6. You are going to multiply it times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. So whatever you get, you just use it to cut out your fabric. So this is it, 36. I've gone ahead to cut it out. So first of all, I'm going to take this to my sewing machine and just hem it. I'll sew my the hem so that it's going to be neat. When I'm done, I'll bring it back so we'll move to the next step. So I've gone ahead to sew the hem. This is what it looks like. Now we're going to come here and just fold this. Now I forgot to mention it earlier. The length of the sleeve I'm using is the length of fabric I cut was 6.5. I already folded it in, so by the time I'm done, I'll be having 4.5 here. That is what will be left. So if you want yours to be longer, you can cut it longer than that 6.5, so that you know what you are going to do according to your choice. So now we're going to just fold this one in like this. You want to make sure the space in between here is up to ½ inch so that our elastic will be able to pass through. I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew it. Meanwhile, you are cutting your elastic according to your wrist measurement. Our wrist measurement is 6. We cut out our elastic as 6 inches. Here I'm done sewing my elastic channel, so I'll just pick my elastic. I'm using my safety pin to pass it through, so I'll just take it through in here like this, You just want to be careful at first. You want it to come to this edge so that you can stitch it here before you continue. The purpose of stitching it is so that it doesn't, once you are going down, the elastic is too small compared to how large the fabric is. So once we are going down, once we are passing it through, there's tendency for it to just slip off, and then we have to start from the beginning again, and that is a lot of work. So I'll just go to my sewing machine and stitch it right here. After sewing it, here is what it looks like. You can see it. So now we can just relax, chillax, and we're not worried about anything that is going to slip off or something. We can just pass our elastic through. Here it is. I'll just take it to my sewing machine, and the same way we stitched here, I will stitch here and hold it. Then now look at it closely. I'll just remove this. After stitching here, I'll place the two sides together like this. Can you see? And then I'll sew it down. I'll just stitch it with my ½ inch sewing allowance, stitch it down. I'll do the same thing for this second sleeve. I'm done sewing it. This is what it looks like. You are going to bring it and just do it like this. Hold it in the two sides and just do it like this. The reason why you are doing it like that, so that the gathers will spread around the whole sleeve. Then you go ahead to trim off all your rough edges and weave. You trim off all your rough edges and weave. So now there are 3 ways in which you can style this sleeve. You can either style it like this. If you are styling it like this, I noticed that the 6 inches we use, after the elastic have expanded, it became a bit too big. So if you are only going to style it on your wrist like this, you can just Instead of removing your half-inch sewing allowance, you can remove like one around here so that it will be like this on your sleeve, but I'll be leaving my own like this. You can also style it on your ankle like this and on your shoulder, as you can see in the picture above. You can pick any one you like to style your sleeve. So if this is your first time of coming to this YouTube channel, make sure you drop a like, that is if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates like this. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop it in the comment section, and if you have any suggestion of anything you want to learn, also drop it in the comment section. I'll be answering your questions and I'll be making videos based on your suggestion. Thanks for watching. Arigato gozaimashita.